Look, look.
Anyway, really, how usually we're getting caramba, someone said. How usually we're getting a bonus? Let's try to guess which bonus round will be next one. Not like a next after the spin, but overall. Maybe even a next after the spin. So for some reason I also think that it might be Cashman. 5x at a crazy time. Via thinks that it's a crazy time. Alpha cash on for me. But maybe finally the Murphy's Law gonna work. And Mr. James, oh my god, I love you. Greetings from the Netherlands. Hi. Guys, we all were so wrong, because we got a golden key. Come on. Crazy time. Oh, I gotta go alone there. Stop, you're following me? Okay, come on. And welcome everyone, ladies and gentlemen. Finally it happened. During tea time, we got a crazy time with a little gift from the top slot multiply. Have you noticed that? Now we're going to apply 5x. That's really looks beautiful. Every single multiply looking better. And what do we have? What do we have? Ladies and gentlemen, choose your color. It might be green, it might be blue, it might be yellow. Make your choices. And the biggest theme is the blue one. Good luck to you. Ladies and gentlemen, 250x, 500x, enjoy! Hey! Just a you are the top 3. Let's continue. Kim writes, you are terrible at spinning. Nah, that's just a moment. Cold session regarding to bonus rounds, that's it. There are no good and bad spinners. Wait, Bobby, about what? 4x on crazy time? About what? You would never snitch. Give it up for my angel, Ariana Grande. Come on. Oh, baby. Crazy time with a 4x. Let's freaking go. You ready? Come on! Well. This is gonna be a good round. Before we start, we will make every single multi 4 times more. I got a good feeling about this one. And now, your decision time has started. Green, blue, or the yellow flapper. Take your time and please make that choice. Most of you have chosen the blue flapper, max multi right now, 400x, unless we are getting those doubles. So good luck. Click the button. Woo! For the blue, 140 for the yellow. Team green, it's time to double the fun. Max multi right now for the green flapper, 800, unless another double appears. There we go. I wish you all the best. Just got 280x. 280, 100, and 140x. 3.6 thousand views. Let's go.
Time is made if you want to live. I need your boots, clothes, and motorcycle. Now. Get to the chopper. No, it's a little bit different. Get to the. No. Hold on. Let's touch your socks. Looks like it's a lucky one. Booyah, that's the crazy time. Another one. Let's go. Oh. You ready? Let's go. Booyah. Many, mo, ladies and gentlemen. Green, blue, or yellow. Are you ready? Banana. So, many, mo. Green, blue, or yellow. Which one to pick? It's up to you guys. It's up to you. If you're not picking out a pick and a pick for you, 36% for you. So, a couple of seconds. Come on. Looks like you're 50x on a green, 25x on the blue, and double on a yellow. Ladies and gentlemen, you ready? For a double up to 200x, guys. 200x is the highest multiplier right now. Come on, give me another double. Give me another double. Please. Another double. Oh yeah, that's a double. That's a double, guys. That's a double, guys. We're ready? Ready? I'm gonna throw my shoe. Good luck to everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Another double, please. Okay. Now I'm gonna throw both of my shoes. Guys. I'm just gonna do another one. Come on. No, okay, I'm gonna do it in socks. Look. Come on, give me another double. Come on. Another one. Another double would be nice. Please. Oh, yeah. So, what else? What else can we... Oh, look. I'm tired. Let's go. Another one. You ready? Let's everyone. Come on, give me another double. Please, another double. Another one, please. 800x! Oh, yeah! Oh! Oh, ladies and gentlemen,
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Trolltime UTC-HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.
Wondering how to make a play all night, looking your way from out of sight, thinking I should ask if you're doing alright. You weren't easy, so hard to ignore. Pull up on your right, ask what you're drinking, ask what you like. Said you look good in the dim bar light, so damn cheesy. Who'd have thought